Hello, people. It's another day, it's another beautiful moment. I'm here again. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like it. Today, I'm going to talk about something small, something nice, something that many people are interested in knowing and in doing, implementing. If you're a streamer, maybe you're broadcasting something live on YouTube, on Twitch, maybe on Facebook, and you would like to have some writing, some lower thirds appearing there, some scrolls, and that sometimes tells your audience what is this all about. Is it some ceremony event, or is it a church service, or some other events that you got to tell your people know about what it is, if it's news or something. So today I'm talking the simplest way to make a lower third that is you doesn't require plugins, just require your OBS plain as it is to go live. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Now here I'm coming live with what we need to go live. Now, if you have not seen this channel, it's Jeff Tech Media, and I'm here again today. So don't touch that dial. Now I take us directly to the OBS. Now we are in OBS. If you open your OBS, it's plain like this. So we'll have to create a new layer, and I'm going to create a new layer and name it lower thirds. Lower thirds. So you get to see what we are doing today. So first, you have to select the best colors that you need to use. You have to choose onto your colors which one is the best for you to show. Churches have different theme colors, and again also streamers or broadcasters or video editors, graphers, people have their favorite colors or theme colors. So I will go for a random color right now. You have to check backgrounds. You have to set backgrounds. So for you to do that, I've created a new source, and then I've created a new scene, and then in this our new scene, you have to create you have to add a source. So in our source, I will have color source. Then I can select any color. So let me randomly choose white, and then if I choose white, then let me put it to frame. If you want to put it to frame, you see like right now it's overlapping, so it means the resolution or the size is big. Now I have to in the shortest way you can do that, you just control S, and then it fits there. Control S, then it fits there. Bro, awinjo ka sufrich ni gore recording na bwan. Sufrich ni tungni mic na mako sufrich ni matungni. So when you're right there, now you can just drag it like that to the desired size and position where you want it to be. So I will put this one here, and then adjust it just a little bit on up, so it doesn't go exactly down the bottom frame. So then you can make sure you center align it very well. Then I can bring another color. If I can bring another color, I can choose any other color that is okay. Black tends to be okay, but it's not much okay. So I will go for a grayish color. So our video doesn't have to color clash. So if we have white and gray, they are not much far, so it won't be bad. So that one also, you have to frame it to the desired. You can actually duplicate the other one, but it means when you'll be changing colors, that one as well will be changing. So for example, let me just do this right now. Let me try to duplicate this one, and now if I duplicate or just copy paste, if I copy paste this one here, and then I have two color. Now if I want to change this one, the other one will also change. So let me drag this here, and so you see the colors down here. So if I change it maybe to red and then I hit OK, all of them are changing to red, which I don't want that to happen. That's why I'm encouraging you that you just bring in new color source than doing copy paste. Then now you just have to undo that, and then we delete one. We get one out of these two. You just remove this one, and then you remain with one. So when this is okay, you have aligned it there, you bring this your gray color on there, and then you make sure that it is in the same alignment with the first color source. So this one, maybe you can extend it to be a bit larger than the previous one. So because most of the major text, the subtitles or the topics or the names can be appearing on this first one, which means the text which shall be written on this top one are big than the ones that you will write on the lowercase. The lowercase, you will have a silent news passing through there, or some scrolls passing through. That's why I'm choosing that it be slim, not much slim, but small when it comes to height. So let its height to be that small. Then once you are done with color, the background color source, and all you have set to the required size and width and length, now we come to text. What do we want to write in this? What do we want to write? Now we can say title or topic. Title or topic. We can just leave it title, and I can just write here how to set lower thirds. Let me put a uppercase, and then I say how to set lower thirds. Easy peasy. Now then you hit OK. You can choose your favorite font, but the best that appears when you go live, the best that is good for us when we go live is Arial Black bold, Arial Black. So you just choose that one, and then you hit OK. Once you've hit an OK, now you will hit OK on this one too. Then you drag this. Now your color might give you problem here. So if your color is giving you a problem here, you can just drag it like that and then match it to the center where you want it to be, and then you'll have to change color because it's not that much clear with that. So maybe we can go for the red color or black, but black won't be okay there. Black only shows clearly or well on the white background. So I can choose yellow for this one. So for this one, you'll go to select color, and then you choose which color you want to display there. And then if you see yellow is not coming out clearly. Now you have to choose a color that is coming bright enough and not that bad. So if we check on blue is fine, it's not bad. So it's trying. So at least it's visible enough, you can see it. And then once we are done with that, you have to add something in our lower third. Now we can write this one as scroll. Now I want to put something to scroll down, or a silent news. So instead of having a silent news, I will have to write this. Welcome to my channel. Adjective Media. Subscribe, like, and share. So once you're done with that, once you're done with writing, then you make sure that everything is sorted as well as possible. You just choose your color, choose your font style. Now I come to Arial Black, I hit OK, and then I hit OK again. then I have to resize this. Either the way you can do the setting of the font by coming here, then you reduce it to the desired size, then it comes just down to the desired size as you want the font size. And if you don't want to bother selecting time, selecting the font size now and again, you will just have to you can as well drag it. If you drag it like this, you expand. That's how you play with the font automatically without having to go through the text. Now you just drag it, over here, over where you want it to be. Now you make sure that you have center lined it well. Now if you're looking at that, you can see what we have written because it's in white, and the font color is also white, so we have to change the font color to something else. Now here I can bring black. On this text I can bring black because we have a white background. Now if you can check that, we have something good, something nice. So I can you can as well see how nice and simple that is. If you look it out, it's popping nice and well. So how do you make it? If you want to change, then maybe you want to change that. If you close, it appears and disappears like that, but that is not a professional way. You want something sleek and simple. Now if you want something to stand out very nice, this is our lower third, and you are set to go. So if it is a church service, you can say Sunday church service, Sunday first church service, or our live coverage from so where and where. And then maybe if you want to give us your location, you can write on top right corner or top left corner, but majorly write it on top left corner. That is here where I show my cursor, where you have to say live in Nairobi, live in Kisumu, live in Migori, whichever place you are streaming from. And then the other top right corner, maybe for logos, church logo, or if it's not a church event, the streamer logo or the media team logo, something like that. Then if you're done with that, you can split your screen into two. So for you to make sure that you don't move things out of place, what you can do is add. You go to this plus button in sources, go to plus button, and when you get there, you click group. And then if you click group, then you can just rename it as lower third. Just write it as lower or lower thirds, so you don't forget what you're interacting with. Then you will have to click OK, and then you will have to, you see everything that you placed here, you will have to drop it right in this group, so everything of yours can be closed at once without any problem. So you see, if you look here, we don't have much things. Now our colors has come on top, so you make sure the colors are at the bottom, and then the text are always at the top, because if your colors becomes at the top, they will close or they will cover your text. Make sure your text is at the top always. Now you will have to transit. You see how that disappears and how that goes. And then now if you want this one to slide out and slide in, you just come and do this. You come to the text and then show transition. Then you can slide in or swipe, fade out, or stinger. You can add stinger, but stinger is not much okay when it comes to lower thirds. Stinger is okay when you are transiting to another scene. So I will have to select swipe in, and then you can when it comes in, when it shows up, we can say swipe from right, swipe to right side, and then I select that and hit OK. And then I come again on top of it, and then when I want to take it out, I say swipe left. Now you see there, swipe left. And then for that to move so nicely, you can just increase the seconds, the milliseconds in which the transition takes effect. So I can increase that one to 700, and then show Man. Then show I can increase it to I can increase it to 500 or just 600, so it doesn't take much time coming in. So look what we have now. What we have is this. See that? That is when it disappears. And then you click it again. Click it again. That's how it comes up. Size, easy peasy. So if you want it to be on the same down on the top one, just do that in the other one too. Thank you for watching Jeff Tech Media. Next time, please subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.